Hi, afternoon. I'm Yip from Bin Saipo. Today I'd like to show you how coffee dripping and become so easy at home. So firstly, I will just rinse the filter paper with some hot water just to cleanse and make sure it is clean before I start brewing. And after that, I'll just scoop the coffee ground into the filter. In order for me to actually get a better extraction, I have made the coffee ground finer than the usual V60. Because this filter paper is slightly bigger in the micron, in order for me to do a better extraction, I have actually made the coffee ground finer, and I will pour the water slowly into the coffee bag in order for the coffee ground to line the filter paper for a better extraction. I will also actually level the coffee ground before I pour. Today I'm going to use the coffee to water ratio at 12.5. I will slowly pour the water into the coffee bag. As you can see, there are bubbles that appear. It shows that the coffee is breathing and it is fresh. Once I have poured in 150 grams of water, I will let the coffee slowly sip into the glass until it finishes. So as you can see, the coffee ground is now lined to the filter paper so that it will actually help to retain the water longer and get better extraction from the coffee. This filter paper can actually give us a very clean cup, and you can get better flavors when the water and the temperature is actually cooled down slightly. Thank you.